go to breakfast.
Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Your girl is going to Dubai, big Dubai. So this video is going to be a maintenance vlog. You guys are going to see the process of me getting my hair done. We're going to get our nails done. It's like 12:14 a.m. I didn't sleep last night, mind you, because I was doing my hair. Friday night I washed my hair, then Saturday around 12 p.m. I started braiding my hair. My braids are really long, so it took me a while. This whole maintenance vlog, about 80% is going to be done by myself. If I can save my money on something I can do myself, I'm gonna do it. It's literally 8 a.m. I've been here since yesterday. I haven't had any sleep. I'm getting very sleepy, but I want to do the whole thing. I'm actually kind of slow today. And also my braids are pretty long. And we're almost done. All I have is this. And then I can get some sleep. So now that we have my hair done, today I actually want to pack, but the way I'm going to edit this video, you guys will probably see me getting my nails done first. My voice is very deep, I don't know why. But hi guys, so today is Monday. We're going to get my nails done. I have this little massage and washing thing, so I'm going to wash my legs. It's actually very messy because I had painted them. Basically just gonna clean my nails. I just got back from getting my nails done. Here is what the nails look like. I just got French tip, something very simple, also very short. It was about $60. I feel like it could be a little longer, but this is my fault. This is what I told her to do. Your girl is ready for vacation. Prepare the bistic of me. Yeah, that's really all in terms of my nails. I need to go get my brows done myself. The only thing I really outsourced for this video is my nails. Everything else was done by me. I love doing this. It's not even about saving money. I actually love just taking care of myself by myself sometimes. I would love to get my lashes professionally done, but I don't feel safe enough to have my lashes given to someone to do. And then I heard like if you don't maintain the lashes very well, you could actually go blind, and I will not be risking that. I'm probably thinking to the extreme. For now I won't be getting my lashes done. I have a mirror in front of me, so I'm just gonna do that. What I use is my spoolie and my eyebrow razor, as well as some lotion. You want to see what you're doing and you want to make sure that your brows are going where you want them to go. My camera is being slow. Why sir are you being slow? So I made a little bit of a mistake here. There's a little mistake, but it's okay. I still look a little bald, but I think it's still okay. I actually don't like the idea of shredding my brows because I just cannot stand pain. So I'd rather do this even if it's every week. I'm ready for this vacation. Catch me outside, how about that? We're gonna pack right now. So here's the plan. Basically we have a big luggage and we have a hand luggage. There's stuff inside, and on my notes app I have a list of everything that I need. I think I'm gonna start out with my big bag. Here's the main luggage. So we have space, enough space for our stuff. I basically have all my clothes and stuff in here, so we're just gonna fold it inside the box. You guys are gonna be seeing the outfits in the actual vlog. I got most of them from Shein. You know I'm a Shein girl, affordable on a budget. Yes, I'm gonna be there anytime, anywhere. I was gonna pack my clothes in terms of like outfits, but at this point I feel like I just have a bunch of items that would go well with each other. I have a top that would go well with like a pair of shorts and also a skirt, so like I have things that can mix and match, and I feel like that's good. I'm trying to change my style badly because I feel like I'm not yet at my style potential. So this trip is not exactly my style experimenting trip. It's just like for comfort, and I'm overpacking. Yes, it's about like 12 days and I'm gonna overpack because I'm a girl. It's a stereotype and I fell right into it. But anyway, let me just give you a rundown of the clothes that we have. We have shorts, oversized shirts, We have 2 denim shorts. We have a matching 2-piece. This one was last minute from Shein, and I actually ordered another matching 2-piece, but they never got it to me. So make sure that you have enough space in your stuff. Roll up your items. That's the best way to go. So now we basically have like about half that section, and this is like all the outfits that I'm actually gonna wear. White top. Okay, my swimsuit is actually not checked yet. Let me uncheck that. I want to get my swimsuits and my underwear as well. So yeah. Oh, I forgot my pajamas. My accessories, oh yeah, I think those can go in the envelope as well. I actually also want to take my ring light with me because I'm gonna be doing a lot of content there, so I don't know where to put the ring light. I think I should bring the hand luggage because I have more control over the hand luggage. My hair turned out being black and brown. I didn't actually plan for it to be black or brown. They put the black and brown braiding hair together, so I couldn't tell. Like, I just took the black one because I thought the one behind it was also black, but it's brown. So now we have peekaboo braids. I'm getting sleepy because I haven't had sleep. Like, I didn't sleep for a while, so I think I'm getting hysterical. I have my makeup brushes. I actually washed my brushes for the first time in like a month. I know, I don't want to talk about it. I have my makeup products. So I think I'm done with the big luggage for now. I'm gonna move into the hand luggage, which is like almost already packed. What we have so far in the luggage or in the hand luggage is, this is my MacBook. I still don't know how I want to put it just yet. This is a mini ring light, so I'm not taking like the biggest ring light in the world. And I have this phone cases because I have some content to do with Casetify. And then I have like my bags and my shoes in here, as well as now I don't know what to put in here. I made some changes again. I decided I'm not taking the hand luggage anymore because it was quite empty. Now I have my bag and my shoes packed in here, and I still have space for toiletries. And here is just my clothes. I actually put the ring light somewhere in here, but it's like in the middle of clothes, so hopefully that will pad and prevent it from any damage. Yeah, I need to sleep. I think I'm done for the night. I'll be showing you guys the luggage tomorrow. But I'm super excited for this trip. I'm just very sleepy.
Don't be so quick to walk away. Dance with me, I wanna rock your body. Please stay. Dance with me, you don't have to admit you.
That is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed the video. I feel like it's not as interesting because everything I did myself. But over here we are DIY queens, and it's okay. It's cool. So stay tuned for the trip and the vlog. Follow me on my other socials to catch the trip before you guys see the vlogs. See ya. Catch ya. Later, boom.
Oh, to me.